What's up, my YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all are having another good day, y'all. I had to drop some content today, some fire unboxing of one of the parts that I told you guys. If you were watching the last couple videos, you guys know we have a bunch of goodies coming in. Another one arrived today. Boost Auto Parts, guys. I haven't even opened the box yet, so this is gonna be my initial reaction unboxing. I'm looking at the box here. I'm so excited. You guys don't understand it. All right. So first things first, make sure you smash the thumbs up button because I'm dropping this like legitimately. I got home from work, I saw the box here, like I'm still in my work clothes, like I haven't even changed yet because I'm so excited. So make sure you drop a like on the like button and like the video, and then drop a comment. Tell me what you guys think about it too, because I want to hear what you guys got to say. Now, unfortunately, we will not be installing these today because we have one more thing to do to these mirrors before we can install it. If you watch the videos, if you didn't, check out the last couple ones, but we will be taking these tomorrow to get color match painted by my boy Hector. So I just want to show y'all these because these things, they're game changers. It's fire. Let me show y'all what we got. All right, now, so first things first, I took them out the box, which it was packaged very well, but it was a box. Inside of a box was two boxes. So I went ahead and took out them. Obviously, you can assume because they're tow mirrors, one's the left side, one's the right side, so I got one up here. First thing I had to shout out, I think this is the right because it has an R on it too, I don't know. But first thing I got to shout out is this right here. Assembled in the USA, all right. It does say made in Taiwan, whatever, no biggie, no one sees that. But assembled in the USA, so there's some quality behind this. And that's one thing with Boost Auto Parts that, you can take rest and ease of mind knowing is that you're not just getting some slapped together Chinese piece of junk. So I want to open this box, which I might need two. Yeah, I'm gonna need two hands for that. Let me see it real quick. Oof. All right. So they hooked it up. We got Boost Auto Parts mirror, or not mirror. Well, that's a mirror there. We got Boost Auto Parts flag. Super awesome. I got to find somewhere. It's gonna go over there. That's the corner it's gonna go in. This right here. Put that there for now. Got some. We got some Boost swag. Got a beanie, Boost Auto Parts, shout out. Got a sticker, and then we got some, I see some crimps, wiring harness, so this is probably gonna some more wires. Okay, I watched the video installing this too, so this is the wiring accessory, the harness for this mirror. And then we have the creme de la creme, the tow mirror. This thing got some weight to it, y'all. So, hey, y'all see me. So, why am I so pumped up for these mirrors? I'm gonna tell you guys why right now. Okay. Number one, high quality LED switchback turn signal / tow markers. All right. So these are a custom option, and I have in the box, I have a card with all the options on it. I'll show you guys in a second. But these mirrors, though, let me pop this up real quick. Are power. Ooh, snap. It's like rifles. All right. These mirrors are power folding, 100% customized. All right. And basically, so if you have an early 4th gen, right? I think 2015 and newer or older, power folding mirrors was not an option. Okay. But with Boost Auto Part, they make that a dream. They make that a reality. Okay. So you can see here, we got full chrome, and I optioned for the chrome caps again because it looks really clean on these Longhorns. It's black right now, but this is going to get paint matched, you guys. So we're going to be getting this color match to match the rest of the truck, the red. It's going to look sick. You got the wiring harness, little foam pad up here. You know what I'm saying? Like, this stuff looks really good, man. It's like super high quality. One thing I noticed right off the rip is that, because you guys remember now, some of y'all probably don't know, but I got 4th gen mirrors on my 3rd gen when I had my 3rd gen, but those are just basic Amazon tow mirrors. There was nothing special about them. The quality, it was like AA parts. Like, it wasn't as good. Man, this sucker got some weight to it. It wasn't as good of a quality as the OEM ones. But right now, and this is a right-hand mirror, right now, this thing right here is very nice. I can tell just by the sheer weight. I don't know if it's from the motor inside of it or what, but from the weight alone, this sucker is it's popping. It's popping for sure. They didn't cut no corners on this thing. This thing looks immaculate right here. I can't wait to get these color matched, man. And obviously you guys can assume one mirror is gonna look the same like the other because they're matching. I'm super excited, really excited. Let's see if I can get this back in. Oh my goodness, it's so tight. Wow. Oh man, that's gonna look so good. Look at that. These suckers are nice. And it comes with, for the glass, it's gonna have heated options, both for the main mirror, for your side mirror, and for the curved mirror, or whatever people call it. Both of these are heated. That's not a normal option. Normally it's only the main mirror that's heated. I opted for both of these to be heated. Power folding. Now they're power folding, but they're power folding with the wireless harness, okay? So when you order power folding mirrors from them, you have two options. You can either get the power folding manually wired or the power folding wireless. And if you watch their video, I'll put a link of their video installing these on the 4th gen down below, and I have a link to their website down below. But basically, it's OEM, man. Like you push your left mirror 3 times, and then hit the arrow down. The mirrors fold in, and then if you want to spread them, you do the same thing except push up, and it spreads them out. It's just A1, man. This is gonna look sick. It's gonna come out sick for sure, especially when they get color matched. It'll be all nice, smooth, and glossy and silky. So man, I'm ready, man. I'm ready to slap. I want to slap these on right now, but we ain't there yet. We ain't there yet. All right, you guys. So I just wanted to show you the options. So you can see here how I optioned mine out. So I opted for the upper lower defrost. Here we have the power folding feature. We have the add a circuit, boost auto parts flag, boost beanie, your original mirrors power fold. The answer was no, so I opted for the wireless upgrade, and then the actual tow mirrors themselves and all the features in it that I wanted. So I wanted the defrost, power folding, the chrome caps. By getting the wireless option for the power folding features, it actually cuts the install time down from 2 hours to about 30-25 minutes because it's super simple. Again, I'll have the video down below, and they have full instructional videos on their YouTube channel for pretty much every truck that they offer tow mirrors for, showing how to install them, whether it's just a basic set of tow mirrors all the way up to something like these amazing things that we're looking at right now. It has, man, I can't wait to install them. It's gonna be sick, man. Definitely looking forward to this. You figure tomorrow I drop it off to paint, it might be there for a week-ish or something like that. So expecting next week sometime to be able to put these bad boys on. Oh, I'm sorry, bad Larry's, because I know, man, this thing has got some weight to it. God dang. I mean, it's just awkward to grab. But these, like, come on, y'all. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's fresh. All right, you guys, so hopefully this video was exciting for you as it was for me. I haven't done an unboxing video on the channel in a long time, so definitely smash the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it, and also drop a comment because I want to hear what you guys have to say. We will be dropping these off, getting them painted, get them back. We're going to slap them on the truck. But yeah, things are moving, man. It's moving. Is my camera zoomed in? No, it's just, okay. Things are moving and grooving. Everything's all going according. So definitely looking forward to this. Hope you guys are as well. If you have any questions or anything like that, I want to hear from you down below. Plus, I want to hear about what you guys think about it and go from there. You check out the website because you don't have to do the exact setup I did. I chose that setup because that's what I wanted. But you'd be surprised. You can option out your mirrors. And on top of that, what a lot of people don't know, or what I tell people, is you don't have to buy an entire tow mirror. You can buy, if you want switchbacks on the sides, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to do switchback turn signals, sequential lamps or whatever, they have that kit. You can change these out. If you want to add, what was it, something else to it, I can't remember. But you can do it though. You know, they have the do-it-yourself kits that you can do it for. They have stuff for Rams. They have stuff for Chevys. I don't know if they have anything for Power Strokes though, or Fords. Somebody might know though. But they have some good stuff out there. So definitely check out Boost Auto Parts store. Awesome people to work with, and it was actually relatively fast turnaround building these. I think last week the order got put in and they're at my door, and last week was a holiday week too. I think last Monday they shipped out, so I got them this Monday, so a week later. So hey man, I told you guys we coming with some heat. We're bringing that firepower. So again, thank you guys so much. Until next time, y'all take care, be safe. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys later.